You can set up options for moving incoming email to junk or spam folder. Under the Home tab, click on Junk. Click on Junk Email Options. Outlook displays the Junk Email Options window. Under the Options tab, default is no automatic filtering. Mail from blocked senders is still moved to the junk email folder. If any email addresses are set up in blocked senders, then emails received from those addresses will be automatically moved to junk folders. All others go to inbox. Low, move the most obvious junk email to junk email folder. High, most junk email is caught, but some regular mail may be caught as well. Check your junk email folder often. Sometimes you may have to move the email to inbox from junk folder because they are valid ones. Safe lists only. Only from people or domains on your safe senders list or safe recipients list will be delivered to your inbox. You may need to regularly check junk email folders because any email from a person not in lists specified need to be moved to inbox if it's a valid one. Only one option to be selected from the above 4 options. If you check the box permanently delete suspected junk email instead of moving it to junk email folder, then junk emails are deleted. The disadvantage with this is not having the ability to check if it's truly junk email or not. You need to have this box checked for disable links and other functionality in phishing messages. This helps not to click any links in junk email accidentally. You need to have this box checked as well for warn me about suspicious domain names in email addresses. It helps to identify any phishing emails from unknown domains. Click on Save Senders tab. Here you can enter all the email addresses which are safe to receive emails from. Click on Add. You can enter the email address. Click OK to add the address to list. Click on Safe Recipients tab. Here you can enter all the email addresses which you regularly send emails to, and Outlook will not consider any emails from these addresses as junk email. Click on Add. You can enter email addresses. Click OK to add the address to list. Click on Blocked Senders tab. Here you can enter all email addresses which you consider as junk email senders. Click on Add and you can enter email address. Click OK to add the address to the list. Any emails from these email addresses will be moved to junk automatically. Click on International. Here you can block emails from some domains or languages. Click on Blocked Top-Level Domain List. You can select any of the countries to block them. You can also do Select All or Clear All. Click OK to save changes. Click on Blocked Encoding List. Select languages you want to block by checking the boxes. You can select All to or Clear All. Click OK to save changes. Click on Apply to apply all changes to junk email options. Click OK to close the window. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.